In 1912, the most luxurious ship ever built set sail across the Atlantic. It was called Unsinkable. 4 days later, it was at the bottom of the ocean. So what really happened to the Titanic? The RMS Titanic was the largest passenger ship in the world at the time. It carried over 2,200 people on its maiden voyage from England to New York. The ship was considered a marvel of engineering. It had watertight compartments designed to prevent sinking. But on the night of 14 April 1912, the Titanic struck an iceberg in the North Atlantic. The iceberg ripped open multiple compartments along the ship's side. Although the Titanic could survive damage to 4 compartments, 6 were breached. Water slowly began filling the ship. There were also not enough lifeboats for everyone on board. At the time, safety regulations were outdated and based on older, smaller ships. As panic spread, lifeboats were launched, many only half full. Within less than 3 hours, the massive ship broke apart and sunk into the freezing ocean. Over 1,500 people lost their lives. The Titanic did not sink because of one single mistake. It was a combination of overconfidence, high speed in iceberg waters, design limitations, and poor emergency preparedness. More than a century later, the Titanic remains a powerful reminder that even the greatest human achievements can be undone by nature and human error. If you enjoyed this simple explanation of world history mysteries, subscribe to History Explained simply for more stories from the past.